How to delete all liked video on YouTube at once. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete all liked video on YouTube at once. To begin with, you have to first of all open the YouTube app on your device. After which, click the U button from the bottom of the page, and then you want to click on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Then you want to go ahead and click on YouTube or your data in YouTube. So when you go to this section, there you have YouTube dashboard, all that. And on this page, you simply want to scroll down and go to YouTube watch history. When you go to the YouTube watch history section, there you have your information. You could click on see all activity control. So all you need to do is click on manage your YouTube watch history. So when you go to manage your watch history, come to the interaction section, and there you have video interactions. Underneath, click on video likes and dislikes. When you click on the following option, there you have the videos that you've liked. You could simply select the particular date and then cross this up. When you do it, so you have to do this manually. So there isn't a way you could do it at once. So it's going to be according to the date. So you just have to make sure to toggle the button, do the same thing, and that is how you'll be able to delete all liked video on YouTube at once. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.